Hey, so maybe you've heard that Trump is surging. He's close to tying her in national polls, stuff like that. How could this be happening? Well, guess what? Obamacare, sticker shock, average 2017 premium surge 24%. That's happening. Nationwide, average 24% surge in Obamacare. Because when Obama passed his universal health care, which isn't universal, what it really was a giveaway to insurance companies, the big pharma, all that stuff. There's no price controls on it. So now people are still getting screwed. So yeah, you can technically you're able to buy insurance, if you want to go bankrupt. Here's a Facebook post I saw from someone named Will Lopez. It says, for those of you that think Trump's comeback is only about the email scandal, please note what I just went through. 2 of my employees just stormed into my office with their Obamacare renewal letters. Their rates went up from $222 to $375 a month. That's roughly 24%. They looked like they wanted to kill me. They know I voted for Obama. They know I sold them on Obamacare. They are blaming me, insinuating they need a raise. Porque no pueden. I don't know what that means. Do you know what that means?
Why can't we?
Why can't we? Porque no pueden. One of them has a heart condition and even so is thinking about canceling his plan and paying the $900 penalty a year, figuring if something happens, he'll just go to the hospital. I don't care whose fault it is. I don't care if the program was set up to fail, so it couldn't be tweaked, and the GOP shut their doors and refused to talk. I don't care if the game plan from the Democrats for it to collapse so we got a single payer. I don't care. Scream in my comments all you want. This is where we are, and it sucks. We are the single greatest country on the planet. How can these two be our choices? Well, we're not the greatest single country. We're the richest. We're not the greatest. We're one of the more corrupted. We're super corrupted, and everyone just now accepts as normal. Hey, did you see these emails? All the corrupt, nothing new. We're corrupted. Hey, you know why we pay twice as much for our health care as the rest of the West? Yeah, because we're corrupted. Just accept it. You can't. Bernie Sanders crazy because he doesn't understand how corrupt we are. That's what really people say. You can't have the same medicine the rest of the westernized world has. Why? Because that's how corrupt we are. That's what they really are saying. And there you go. And you want to know why people are... There's no enthusiasm for Hillary Clinton. Zero. Except pretend enthusiasm on social media. Nobody's showing up to her speeches excited. No one. Except maybe, who's showing up? Bankers. Go ahead.
When I see something that's going to increase by 24%, that's horrible
in
this economy. Because nobody's income is being increased by 24%. As a matter of fact,
it's
everything that we buy has increased. Housing is increased.
Well,
everything has increased. It makes it incapable for somebody who's working one job full time to meet the demands of our bills.
Let alone 2 jobs, which is what people are doing. So there you go. You want to know what Trump's comeback is about, according to Will Lopez. There you go.
Well, one thing that's fortunate for Hillary is that we do live in the United States of amnesia, because on the campaign trail, she was parroting the Affordable Care Act, saying how great it was, saying, oh, healthcare, we figured that out. Where Bernie was saying, no, this isn't going to be allowed. We're better than where we were, arguably, because of how terrible the system is and still is, but at least more people have healthcare. But this isn't, we're not done here. We're far from done. He was saying that, she wasn't.
Yeah, no doubt. And her plan to fix this is nothing. They have no plans. There's no cost controls. They have no idea how to fix this. They have no idea how to keep people from going bankrupt. They have no idea how to keep Americans from paying twice as much for healthcare as the rest of the westernized world. That's what they have. No plans. Zero. This is from the great minds. But Jill Stein's dumb because she doesn't know how things work. Although single payer would cut our healthcare bill in half. She's stupid. Craig doesn't know how government works. Bernie Sanders doesn't get it. He's kooky. Doesn't understand how government works. Government works by corruption and bribery. What the fuck is wrong with you, greenies? Don't you get how government works? Pay your money and you screw over people without power. That's government in the United States, so a bunch of rich people can get richer while half the country remains poor.